morning. Welcome to Dear Teacher Ravi Sessions Class 10 live class. Learn maths with Ravi sir. Okay. So, since many days I have been teaching teacher Ravi Sessions Class 10. I have been teaching maths. Now since few days, maybe 4-5 days, I am teaching board examination questions, that too MCQ questions. Today in my class I am going to discuss board exam paper basic 2024. I have discussed 2025 standard and also basic of set 1. Now today I am going to discuss 2024 March examinations of set 3, okay, and basic. So this is what I am going to do today. Without wasting time, let us start the session. So now let me open my file. Board examinations questions, basic 2024. All these are question papers only, basic question papers, like supplementary 3, okay, main examination 3 sets, set 1, set 2, set 3, so 3 and 3, okay, and visually paired people 1, like that it will be there. But I am going to take set 1 basic 1 by 2, this is 1 by 3, okay, 430 hyphen 1 by 3, so this is the question paper set 3. Set 3, I hope you are able to see. Set 3 430 by 1 by 3. I have downloaded from CBSE website. Still, if you want, I can show you how to download it. So now let us start thing. I am not giving you instructions. Instructions are already given. Remember that this curriculum is a 2024-25 curriculum. The syllabus changed 2025-26. Okay. So even 2025 March paper, there may be a little variations. So syllabus emissions, additions will be there. So be careful. Every question from the PYQ need not be the syllabus question. Okay. Syllabus is 2024-25 curriculum syllabus. Okay. There might be some changes. So, and maths, see, basic 3 hours paper and 80 marks. Let us go to section 1. Okay. Section A, MCQ questions. Right, these are the questions. So many questions are there. For what value of k? Let us start from the first question. What value of k? What value of k? The product of zeros. Product of the zeros is 2. Okay, is 2. Now I don't have space to do, but I will do here, there only. you also can do like that, right? So now let me do this question. So this is a polynomials question. Yeah. Mass practice. Yeah. See. So this is a MCQ question, polynomials question, and the product of zeros is 2. So product of zeros is C by A is product of zeros formula, which is equal to 2. Okay. So C is minus 7 by 2, sorry, not 2, K is equal to 2. So 2K is equal to minus 7, K is equal to minus 7 by 2. Very simple. So B is the answer, right? So this is one of the very common question, right? So now let us go to second question, right? This is arithmetic progression question. AP A is equal to 8, A is equal to 8, and A10 is equal to minus 19. Find D. Okay, common difference we have to find out, right? So now, very simple. Let me do here. A10 means A plus 9D is equal to minus 19. 10 means 10 was 1 less 10, so 9. So n minus 1 into D. The formula you have to use A plus n minus 1 into D. So n minus 1 means 10 minus 1, 9. A plus 9D is equal to minus 19. A value is already given, 8 plus 9 into D is equal to minus 19. So 9D is equal to minus 19 minus 8 minus 27. D is equal to minus 27 by 9 minus 3. So minus 3 is the answer. So 3, 11 by 9, so this is the answer. Okay. So now let us go to third question. Third question is from coordinate geometry. Okay. Midpoint of the line segment. He asked directly the midpoint of a line segment. Okay. I hope you are able to see. Is it not very clear? Let me reduce the. Okay, I have reduced. I think it will be visible now. Let me see whether it is visible or not. Not very much visible. I'll try to put it in the landscape. Yeah, very slightly visible. Very slightly visible. So let me do midpoint question, right? It is completely midpoint question, direct question, right? So now midpoint formula, let us say this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Just only to give you formula, I am writing it. Okay. So now x1 is minus 1, minus 1 plus 8 by 2, 3 plus 3 by 2 by 2. So 7 by 2, comma 6, 6 plus 9, 9 by 6 plus 3, 9 by 2 into 1 by 2. So how much? 7 by 2, comma 9 by 4. So once for all, you do it nicely so that you will get directly the answer. So see, all are confusing answers only. 7 by 2 is there in 1, 2 and 3 questions. Okay. So if you don't write this, 9 by 2 will go. That's why this is the correct answer. Okay. You have to be very careful about this. Now let us go to another question. Fourth question. Fourth question is sin theta, that means trigonometry. So sin theta is equal to 1 upon 1 by 3, find the secant theta. So secant theta we need adjacent side, but we have only opposite. So I can give like this. There are so many ways. Opposite by hypotenuse is equal to 1 by 3. So we need adjacent. Opposite square root of h square minus o square. So h is how much? 3, 9 minus 1, 8. So this is 2 root 2. So therefore secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is 3 by adjacent side is 2 root 2. Okay. So B is the correct answer. This is a simple way, basic way. Okay. B is the correct answer. Now let us go to question number 5. This is real numbers, first chapter. HCF is a direct question. All basic maths questions are very easy. So now let me directly do 132 and 77. Okay, you can do directly. So 2, 66, 2, 33, 3, 11. So 2 into 2, 3 into 11. This is 7, 11. So 7 into 11. So now 11 is the common. So HCF is equal to 11. So 11 is the answer. Right? So now let us go to question number 6. Oh. Question number 6. The roots of quadratic equation. Question number 2 has come from quadratic equation. Okay. The roots of the quadratic equation are real equal. So then value of k. So whenever it is real and equal, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This is CBSE board, not MP board. Shailendra Chaturvedi. This is CBSE board 2024 examination. Okay. All boards are same. Andhra Pradesh board, Telangana board, almost these are the questions. Chapters are same every board. So you can go through it if you are interested. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 because the nature of the roots are real and equal. Real and equal is this one. So that condition you should be aware. Then only you can do the question. So now a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to k. Okay. So then I will put it minus 5 whole square 4 into a is 4 into k is equal to 0. So 25 minus 16k is equal to 0. 16k is equal to 25 and k is equal to 25 by 16. So 25 by 16, two things are there. This is minus and this is plus. So if you want, you can check it again. So 25 by 16 is the answer. Okay. So now let us go to question number 7. The probability of winning a game is P. The probability of losing game is how much? P minus 1. Okay, very simple. If the probability of winning game is P, the probability of losing game is P minus 1, because total probability is 1. So 1, so P. Right, 1 minus P or P minus 1. 1 minus P is the correct answer. Total is 1. So 1 minus P is losing. Okay. So now let us go to 8th question. 8th question is again coordinate geometry. See, coordinate geometry, iske pehle midpoint is given, now distance is given. So two questions have come of the same. So distance between 2 and 3. So distance formula, this is x1 y1, x1 2 y2. This is the formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So how much? x2 is minus 2 minus 4. So minus 4 whole square. y2 is 3 minus minus 3, like 6 whole square. So 16 plus 36. So is equal to 52. So 52, 4 into 13. So it is equal to 2 root 13. 2 root 13 is the correct answer. Okay. Sometimes 52 will be there. So that 52 is also okay. Yes, Bhavesh. See, I don't know, you put the question number also. If you are interested to talk to me, interact with me, you have given C. You put the question number also. Like 8C, like that. So 13 root 2. 2 root 13 is the correct answer, right? So then let us go to next question. Question number 9. It is a trigonometry question. For what value of theta, sin square theta plus sin theta plus cos square theta is equal to 2? So now what to do? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. You can write 1. Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So finally it will become 1 plus sin theta, which is equal to 2. So now for what value of theta you will be getting 2. So sin 90 is 1. Sin 90 is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So it should be 90. Okay. 1 is already there. Sin theta place में 1 आना चाहिए. So sin theta is equal to 1, should be 1. So only at theta is equal to 90 degrees. So sin 90, 1, 90 plus 1 plus 1, 2. So answer is 90 degrees. Let us go to question number 10. Question number 10. Again probability. This is the second question of the probability in the same question paper. So probability focus more. 2 questions have come. Okay. In the same way, there is one more chapter 2 questions have come. So probability is easy and you can focus. So a card is drawn from well shuffled 52. The probability, this is cards. Okay. So 52 is the total possibility. Probability of the card is queen, red queen, sorry. You have to be very careful, red queens. So there are only 2 red queens. 2 red color cards are there. So then 2 red queens will be there. Outcomes. Okay, possible outcomes for 2 queens is 2. So question 10 D. So yes, 2 by 52 which is equal to 1 by 26. D is damn correct. Okay. So this is a 10th probability. Let us go to one more question. Okay. Again, this is from statistics. This question is from statistics. Yajnesh, thank you for your compliment. So let us do, Yajnesh, let us do the questions. So if you are able to take up my things, I am very happy. So this is in certain variable x, divide statistical data in the order of 2 equal parts. Then the value of x is called dash. So in some data is arranged and 2 equal parts. Okay. So then the value of x is called definitely median. Okay, definitely median, because in the median only we will take the data into 2 equal parts. Middle value you will take, na. So if there are 60 numbers, 60 by 2, okay, that means 30. So median will be the answer. Okay. Then let us go to one more question. The radius of the sphere. Again, this has gone into the surface areas. B, question number 11. Let me see. Yeah, you are right. You are right, Bhavesh. Good. Keep doing. The radius of the sphere. The radius of the sphere 7 by 2, and that means this is 7 by 2 is r. The volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So now 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So 2 2s and 4 will get cancelled. This 2 in 22, 11 times cancel, 7 and 7 cancel. So on the top 11 into 7 into 7 by 3. So by 3 this cannot be answer, this cannot be answer. So 77 539 by 3 is the answer. So I didn't get your answer, Avesh. So C is the correct answer. Be careful when you are doing multiplications. Even मुझे भी wrong आ सकता है. I am doing it fast, na. So this fastness definitely you are going to apply even in your question number 12A. See, Bhavesh got some other answer. I got some other answer. I have to check, and Bhavesh also has to check. Okay. check. So मेरा भी wrong हो सकता है, Bhavesh. So and check it and find out the correct answer. So 11, 177, only 2 sevens are left. Yeah, 7, 7, 49. 49 into 11. 99, 44 plus 9. 44 plus 9 is 53 by 3. Okay. 539 by 3. Yeah, mine is correct. Okay. So now I checked my answer. I think Bhavesh also checked the answer. Now let us go to one more question, 13th question. 13th question is from statistics. Okay, the mean, median are given. Mean is this, median is this. And the mode is, you have to find out. Empirical formula will be there. That empirical formula you can put it and you can do it. Okay. Can you give me empirical formula? I am always having confusion, not from this year. Since many years, I have been teaching maths since so many years. But when it comes to the empirical formula, the relation between mean, median, mode, I always have a confusion. Okay. So let me check my book. Pavani, empirical formula cheptava? Empirical formula. So that is why learning empirical formula, mean, median, mode. Mean, median, mode. So this formula, right from the beginning, I am having a problem. I forget. If somebody gives the empirical formula, I am glad. 3 median is equal to mode plus. In textbook only, I am taking 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. So logically, I have to remember. So then 3 median. 3 median is given 23. 3 into 23 is equal to mode we don't know, and mode plus 2 into mean 21. So mode is equal to mode 9, 69. 9 minus 3, 6, 6 minus 4, 26 is the answer. 26 is not there. So my calculation somewhere wrong. 9, 69. This is 2. Okay, 9 minus 2, 7, 27. A is the correct answer. Very good, Bhavesh. Yeah, thank you. Then let us go to one more question. 14th question. The height and radius of a right circular cone 24 and 7. So height is 24 and radius is 7. The slant height is L is question mark. Slant height is nothing but L. So L you have to find out. L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. So h is 24 square plus 7 square. So 576 plus 49 is equal to 625. 25 is the correct answer. So 25, D is the correct answer. Okay, D is the correct answer. So now let us go to one more question. Question number 15. So again, one more question from the polynomials. First question is polynomial. Now one more question has come from the polynomials. Small chapter, L25. Yes, you are right, D. Okay. So now it is from the polynomials, and one of the zeros is 3, minus 3. You have to find the alpha. Very simple. 0 will satisfy the polynomial. So you put 0 in this, you will get equal to 0. So that means alpha minus 1 into x square, alpha x plus 1. If you put x is equal to minus 3, alpha minus 1 into minus 3 whole square, alpha into minus 3 plus 1 should be equal to 0. When you put 0, the entire polynomial will answer value will be 0. That is the reason meaning of 0. 0 of the polynomial means the value of the polynomial is 0 at that particular value. It is the value of the variable where the polynomial is becoming 0. So 9, this is 9 into alpha, 9 alpha, 9 into minus 1, minus 9, alpha into minus 3 alpha, plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. 9 alpha minus 3 alpha, 6 alpha, minus 9 plus 1, minus 8. So it goes on the other side, it will become 8, alpha is equal to 8 by 6, so 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is the answer. Your board exam, all the best. Do everything confidently, don't leave any question. Time management plays a very vital role in the board examination. Time management is a very, very vital role. Okay. So, and before going to the examinations, be always quite cool. Don't fight with anybody. Don't become emotional. Okay. Don't be angry on your parents, on your friends. Talk less. Keep your entire thing in silence mode and do the examination. Okay. Pre-board, yeah. All the schools are having pre-boards now. Okay. So, even pre-board also, how you are going to write the final exam, same way you have to write. So many students, they will take almost 90% of the students, they take pre-board very lightly. No. Pre-board, how you are going to perform in the main board examination, same way. Kaisa jana hai, hall ticket ke saath jana hai, half an hour before you have to reach the this one, you have to be cool. Okay, all these things you have to do. So this is a practice for your board exam, not only writing the answers, solving the papers. It is also the other areas, how you sit, how you answer, how you present your answers, everything. You have to tune yourself, keeping board exams in the mind, right? Your school is very good because in the month of December only they are conducting pre-boards. Many schools, they conduct pre-boards in the month of January, right? Good. Wish you all the best. Do all the questions. Say 20 questions. To do 20 MCQs, I hardly take 30 minutes with explanation. So these 20 questions, if you are good in the concepts, definitely 30 minutes mein ho jata hai, right? So now let me go to another question. Question number 16. The diameter of the circle is 6. The end is 40. This is coordinate geometry. This has coordinate geometry. This is the third question from the coordinate geometry. One distance formula, one midpoint formula. So this is one more, right? So the diameter is 6 and one end is diameter is 6, therefore 3 and 3 radius is 3. One end is minus 40. Okay. The other end is on x-axis. Other end is on x-axis. On x-axis, y is 0. So k and 0, other axis. So this k and 0, you should be able to do it. Okay. So then midpoint is 0, this one, right? We have to find out this one. So the distance between these two is 7. So k minus 4, that means k plus 4, 0 is equal to under root 6. The diameter is 6. So the distance between these 2 points is also 6 under root. So square on both sides, k plus 4 whole square is equal to 36. Okay. So then k plus 4 is equal to square root of 36 plus or minus 6. K is equal to, okay, plus or minus 6 minus 4. So here only one value is given, so 6 minus 4. Let me take positive value 2. K is equal to 2. So 2, 0 is the answer. C is the answer. Okay, C is the answer. So now let me go to another question. 17th question. Linear equations in one page. This is the first question from the linear equations. Okay, this is 2024 question paper. So find the value of K. Find the value of K, and two equations are given. K is there in the second equation. Don't have a solution. They are not having a solution. So you need to know the conditions. So A1 by A2, B1 by B2, they are equal, not equal to C1 by C2. So then they are parallel. If all is equals are there are many solutions. If the last one is not equal to, then no solution. Okay, they are parallel lines. So then A1 by A2, A is 5, A2 is 2 is equal to 2 by K. So 5K is equal to 4, K is equal to 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is the answer, right? So now last question, because the 19th and 20th assertion and this one. So see, in 30 minutes I have completed MCQs part with explanation, with interacting. So you don't need to worry, आराम से आप कर सकते हैं. Let us go to 18th question also. Okay. Again, 18th question came from the probability. Probability, this is the third question. So please do probability very nicely, because easiest chapter is probability. So more 3 questions, 3 marks. 3 marks is not a simple thing. Okay. So now the 2 dice are rolled together, the probability of getting doublet. Doublet means same thing. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 like that. Okay. So total outcomes will be, you have to find out. I think you can easily do it. Now let me do, let me explain 19th and 20th also. There will be 2 assertion will be given, reason will be given. How to solve it? You just find out whether it is true or false. Whether it is true or false. You have to find out whether this statement is true or false. 18A, Bhavesh. Okay. Very good. I didn't do. Okay. So I didn't do it. I am just directly went to the 19th and 20th questions. So you have to just see whether it is true or false. Accordingly, you have to choose any one of these options. Okay. If you are getting any one statement is false, answer lies in these 2. If you are getting both assertion and reasons are true, then they lies in this. Okay, so you have to identify it very carefully, and it is easy, no need to get worried. So this is what I wanted to do today. Okay. So let me take my place. Bhavesh is very actively doing questions today. Very nice. I am happy. So, and very important thing for any board examination, public examination is your attitude. Okay, very important thing. Knowledge, though everybody will prepare something or the other. Okay, maybe there might be the difference in the levels, but how you are, how you present yourself in the examination, definitely. If you are emotional, what happened, you, there is a chance of forgetting the formulas and some things. So don't become emotional. Emotional means angry, okay, and so many things, right? So don't be angry, don't talk too much, right? Don't listen to the music also. Keep quiet before examination, 1 hour 2 hours, keep quiet, right? Don't interact with your friends very much. They may distract you. Wantedly they don't do, but not with an intention, bad intention they do, but they talk, they interact. So last minute suggestions, advices are not at all good. Last minute advices and suggestions, okay? So keep yourself cool, and don't talk to anybody. Go to examination, whether it is a pre-board or thing, attempt it seriously. Seriousness will give you definitely good marks. Okay, wish you all the best. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel. Thank you. See you tomorrow with one more topic. Bye bye.